Hello guys, welcome to Happy Streamers channel. Hope you're doing well. In this video I'm gonna show you how to extend ringtone time on Android phone. So if you want to extend your ringtone time on Android phone, then you need to go to your phone dialer. Now tap on the three dot icon in the right side of the corner. Tap on settings. Go to supplementary services. Now tap on show your caller ID and set network default. So guys, that's it. That's how you can do it. So guys, I hope this video was helpful to you. If it was, then please give a thumbs up and hit the subscribe button, and thanks for watching the video.